Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. I'm Archana Sikh. Today's video is about ICT. We will discuss some important questions from ICT. So without wasting time, let's start. The very first question is the data storage hierarchy consists of. Please check the options and try to answer. यहाँ पे डाटा स्टोरेज हायरार्की के बारे में बात की गई है, तो आपको ऊपर से नीचे से लेके ऊपर तक की हायरार्की को बताना है. वी ऑल नो द स्मॉलेस्ट इज बीट्स, राइट. 1 बाइट्स इक्वल टू 8 बीट्स. 1 बाइट्स में 8 बीट्स होते हैं. दिस इज द लास्ट ईयर आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन एंड हियर द राइट आंसर इज बीट्स, बाइट्स, fields, records, files and database. Correct answer is option number second. First is beats, then bytes, fields, records, files and then database. This is the data storage hierarchy, right? So right answer is option number second. Next question I have taken is which of the following domain is used for profit business, and please check the option and try to answer. This is very easy question and here the right answer is .com. .com domain is used for profit business. Next question is which of the following represents billion characters? Options are terabyte, megabyte, kilobyte and gigabyte. Please check the options and try to answer. Here you can check the capacity. Kilobyte 1000, megabyte 1 million, gigabyte 1 billion, terabyte 1 trillion. You can check here. So according to the question, so here gigabyte represents the billion character, right? So the right answer is option number 4, gigabyte. Next question is what is the name for a web page address? Domain, directory, protocol or URL? Which one will be the right answer? Here the right answer is URL. The full form of URL is Uniform Resource Locator. It is a protocol for specifying address on the internet, right? An address that identify a particular file on the internet, that is called URL, and it is a web page, right? So we can say that URL is an address. URL जो है वो एक एड्रेस है जो किसको आइडेंटिफाई करता है, वो फाइल्स को आइडेंटिफाई करता है किस पे, इंटरनेट पे. ओके, वो इंटरनेट पे एक पार्टिकुलर फाइल को आइडेंटिफाई करता है, डेट इज कॉल्ड URL. सो हियर द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर 4, URL. URL is a web page address, right? And full form is Uniform Resource Locator. Next question is with regard to a word processing software, the process of combining static information in a publication together with variables information in a data source to create one merged publication is called. Options are electronic mail, data sourcing, mail merge or spam mail. Which one will be the right answer? Here the right answer is mail merge. Okay, so what is mail merge? Mail merge is a handy feature. It is basically a handy feature that incorporates data from both Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel and allows you to create multiple documents at once. Okay, सो मेल मर्ज में क्या होता है, हम दोनों डाटा को मिला के बहुत सारे डाटा क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड्स एंड माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल दोनों को मिला के हम बहुत सारे डाटा क्रिएट कर सकते हैं एक ही समय में. तो इसको क्या कहते हैं, इसको मेल मर्ज कहते हैं. ओके, सो हियर द राइट आंसर इज मेल मर्ज. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग करेक्टली लिस्ट कंप्यूटर मेमोरी टाइप्स फ्रॉम हाईएस्ट टू लोएस्ट स्पीड? Please check the options and try to answer. It talks about the computer memory types from highest to lowest level. It's talks about the hierarchy of computer memory from highest to lowest level, right? Here we can check it by this image, computer memory from highest to lowest level. So here the highest level is CPU register, then change memory, then main memory, then magnetic disk, disk storage, optical disk, and magnetic tape. Okay, so here the right answer is option number 3. CPU register is the highest level of computer memory, then change memory, then main memory, and then secondary storage, right? So the right answer is option number 3. DAS is a type of memory circuitry that holds the computer startup routine. RAM, ROM, or change memory. Here the right answer is ROM. Read-only memory is a type of memory holds the computer startup routine, right? Next question is, an unsolicited email message sent to many recipients at once is a worm, virus, threat, or spam. Which one will be the right answer? Here the right answer is spam. Okay. An unsolicited email message sent to many recipients at once is a spam, right? Next question is, which of the following communication technologies employ only asynchronous communication? Video conferencing, email, forum, instant messaging. Which one will be the right answer? Let's first talk about what is asynchronous communication, right? Asynchronous communication is the communication which happen not in sync, or in other words we can say that it happened not in the real time. Okay, it does not require the recipient immediate attention, allowing them to respond to their message at their convenience, right? So एसिंक्रोनस कम्युनिकेशन में क्या होता है कि हम तुरंत रियल टाइम में कम्युनिकेशन नहीं करते हैं, हम पहले मैसेज करते हैं, फिर उसका जवाब आता है, हम जो रिसिपेंट को पूरा टाइम देते हैं कि वो मैसेज का रिप्लाई अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर कन्वीनियंस करें. ओके, and an example of asynchronous communication are email, online forum. Okay, so here please check the options. So video conference is not such type of communication. Instant messaging is also not. So here the right answer is B and C. So the right answer is option number 3. Okay, next question is, SMTP is an acronym for, and here the right answer is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. SMTP is an acronym for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. So the right answer is option number 3. Simple Mail Transfer Protocol is an internet standard communication protocol for electronic mail transmission, right? Next question is, the convenient place to store contact information for quick retrieval in email is address box, message box, address book, or message book. Which one will be the right answer? Here the right answer is option number 3, address book. Next question is, a small text file stored on user's computer for some website in order to recognize and keep track of users' preferences is called cookie, report, log, or history. Here the right answer is option number A, cookie. Okay, cookie is a small text file stored on user's computer by some website in order to recognize and keep track of user preferences is cookie.